So today's update, we mopped this floor and I have started bringing some stuff over. Been working on more cleaning. Got some water delivered. There was this Scentsy plug-in in this cabinet over here, as well as this air fryer. The biggest update is we have a fridge. It is starting to get up to temperature, but I've got some water in here already. Obviously, working on more cleaning of the cabinets so I can start bringing more stuff over. But that's about it for right now. So the last thing that's gotten done today is I got my desk, well, one of my desks over here and put back together. So office will be coming along. Mini blinds will be here Thursday. New light with a fan will be here Monday. Still gotta figure out what I want to do with the light here, and I think the boob light needs to go. Forgot to check if this bathroom. Yep, this bathroom has an awful boob light with no boob covering. So that'll be it for today. Whoop. I haven't been able to get it on camera. But the cutest thing is these two like to bark at the mirrors. Yeah, you too. But things are moving along. Like I said, some cleaning here in the kitchen. The biggest thing is that the fridge is here. It is working. Drinks are cold. What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing?